Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Today we shall start the new chapter, polynomial. Previous chapter, in previous chapter, two more problems are there. I do. I'm going to start the new chapter because each problem, one problem takes one period. Then we cannot complete anything. Some problems we have to try, and the two problems are remaining in the previous chapter. Today I am going to start a new chapter, polynomial. Chapter 4, polynomial. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We shall start the new chapter, polynomial. So just first I will revise what you have learned already. So, what is algebraic expression? First point is, what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operators. Okay. Today I will just explain everything. And the notes I have sent, you can see the notes or the context, you can get the notes. What is algebraic expression? First point, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operators. Which are variables? We use the English alphabet, small with X, Y, Z, these are all variables. Which are constants? 10, 20, all numbers are constants, 100, X. Which are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, into, division. These are all arithmetic operators. Now, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operators. For example, x plus y plus z is an algebraic expression. It is combination of variables and arithmetic operators. Or you can write x plus y minus 10 plus minus sign. Separate the terms of the expression. Yeah. X, y minus 20. These are all algebraic expressions. This is algebraic expression. This is also, these are algebraic expressions. I'll write one more. X, y, z. Here, what I said, combination of arithmetic operators, variables, constant, and arithmetic operators. These are having variables, constant, and arithmetic operators. These are algebraic expressions. Okay. So first point is what is variable, what is constant. Okay, you might have not understood what is variable. Variable means what? Constant means what? Constant is the quantity which never changes its value. For example, 10 remains 10 only. 10 will not change its value. 10 remains 10. For example, in mathematics we use 5. Its value is 22 by 7. Okay, we take 22 by 7. In all problems, today, tomorrow, any day, we take the same value. Means its value is constant, it never changes. Whose value never changes is called a constant. Its value will not change. For example, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It never changes. Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It never changes. So that becomes a constant. Sum of angles of a triangle becomes constant. Whose value do not change, those are constant. Variable, what is variable? The quantity which changes its value, which change their value, those are variable. I'll make you understand. For example, in your home, if you have a coin box, let us say coin box. You have one coin box in your home. Okay. Today, if you have put 10 rupees, okay, its value is 10 rupees. Tomorrow again you put 10 rupees, then its value becomes 20 rupees. Its value changes. The coin box value changes. So, you can call this coin box as X. Today, what is the value of X? 10 rupees. If you put again 10 rupees tomorrow, its value becomes 20. You put again 100 rupees, its value becomes total 110. So, what is happening here? It is taking different values. So, its value is variable. It changes. So, for such things, we can call as the variable, and we represent such variable with the alphabet. English alphabet, X, Y, Z, like that. Okay. So those are variable. The values will change. Then, now you understood what is algebraic expression. Okay. There are different types of algebraic expressions already you have studied. What are those? I'll write some algebraic expressions here. For example, x, y, z, comma, x, comma, 10x, comma, 10xy. Second one, x plus y, x minus y, 10xy plus z, or x square plus 20, etc. Third, x plus y plus z, x plus y minus 10, x square plus 10x plus 10, etc. Okay. Now, some examples I have written. These are all algebraic expressions. So first example you see x y z is an algebraic expression. This is also an algebraic expression. This is also, these are all algebraic expressions. Here also. In this x, y, z, here it is having only one term because terms of algebraic expressions are separated by plus or minus sign. Algebraic expressions terms are separated by plus or minus sign. For example, between these two plus sign is there are two terms. Between 10 and x, plus or minus sign is not there. So 10x is a single term. 10xy is a single term. Okay. Here x is also single term. Here how many terms are there? X and y are separated by plus signs. Here are two terms. X and y are separated by minus sign. So here are two terms. So terms are separated by plus or minus. Here also 10xy is one term. That is another term. So it is having two terms. Here x square is one term, 20 is another. So these terms are separated by plus sign. So it has two terms. In this example, x, y, z. So it is having three terms. This is also having three terms. This one, it is also having three terms. Okay. So algebraic expression which has only one term is called monomial. Is an example for monomial. This is also an example for monomial. This is also example for monomial. It is also monomial. Why? Because only one term. These are all monomial. First example is for monomial. Here, second example, each algebraic expression is having two terms. An algebraic expression which has two terms is known as binomial. By each two. All the algebraic expressions are having two terms. So such algebraic expressions are called binomial. These are binomial. Similarly, an algebraic expression which has three terms is known as trinomial. Here, trinomial. It is a trinomial. Okay. An algebraic expression which has three terms is known as trinomial. Here, some more terms are there. Some more terms, which are those. For example, here 10x. How many x are there? 10 are there. This 10 is known as numerical quotient or just quotient. Quotient of x here, coefficient. Quotient of x is 10. The number multiplied to the variable part is known as numerical quotient. The number multiplied to variable part of a term is known as what? Numerical quotient. So to this variable part, 10xy, what is multiplied here? Here 10 is multiplied. Here 10 is a numerical quotient. And in this x, y, z, what is multiplied? Nothing is 1 x, y, z. X, y, z, how many are there? There is only one x, y, z. So 1 is numerical quotient. Here x, how many x are there? 1 x. So 1 is a quotient. Similarly here, quotient of x is 1. Quotient of y is 1. Here quotient of x is 1 because 1x is there. Coefficient of y is 1 minus 1. Coefficient of xy is 10. Coefficient of z is 1. Coefficient of xy is 1. Here we don't take coefficient because variable part is not there. It is constant term. We say it is constant term. It is not having variable part, so it is constant. Similarly here, coefficient of x 1. Coefficient of y 1. Coefficient of z is 1. Here how many x are there? 1x. So coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 1. And 10 minus 10 is a constant term. Coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is 10. And 10 is a constant term. Now you understood what is coefficient. Okay. Here I use the word numerical coefficient, means number multiplied to the term of the algebraic expression is known as numerical coefficient. For example, another example, if you have x, y, z, what is coefficient of z means? Coefficient of z, remaining part, x, y, coefficient of z. So, coefficient of z is xy. What is coefficient of y? xz. Remaining part. What is coefficient of say x? yz. What is the coefficient of say xy? What is multiplied to xy? Z is multiplied. Coefficient of xy is z. Okay. But here numerical coefficient is number multiplied to the variable part. And usually, if we take coefficient, we talk about numerical coefficient only. Okay. This much you are understood, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more word is there, degree of the algebraic expression. Degree. What is the degree of the algebraic expression? Degree of the algebraic expression is the highest power or the highest exponent of the variables in the algebraic expression. For example, here I'll give another example, x square plus x plus n. Here its exponent is 1, its exponent is 2, highest is how much? So its degree is 2. Degree of this algebraic expression is how much? For example, if your algebraic expression is say x plus y plus z, what is its degree? Its power is 1, its power is 1, its power is also 1. So its highest power is 1, so its degree is 1. Here also 1. The highest exponent or the highest power of the variable is 1. The degree of this equation is 1. Degree of, it's not equation, degree of the algebraic. Here degree, here x square is there, here x plus 1 is there, its degree is 2. Here its degree is 2. Here 1, y variable 1, x variable exponent is 1. If x, y term is there, for example 10xy plus z, its variable exponent is 1. It's 1. This is also 1. Its degree is 1 plus 1, 2. The exponent of x is 1. The exponent of y is 1. So 1 plus 1 we should take. So its degree is 2. Degree is 2. Understand it? Similarly, here its exponent is 1. Here this is also 1. So its degree is 1. Its degree is also. What about its degree? 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1. So its degree is 3. Its degree is 1. Its degree is also 1. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is degree is 2. What about this? For example, if 1 is 10 is there, is it algebraic expression? Yes, this is also algebraic expression. It is a monomial. Where is the variable part? X variable part is there. Variable part, what is the variable part? You can write it like this. X raised to 0. What is its degree? Its degree is 0. Degree is how much? X raised to 0 means what? 10 into x raised to 1. So 10 into 1 is 10. So I can write 10 as 10 into x raised to 0. So highest exponent is how much? 0. So degree is 0. Okay. So you should remember this kind of is polynomial. I'll come to that. It is called constant polynomial, that we will come to that. Its degree is 0. Now you understood what is a variable, what is a constant, what is algebraic expression, and what is a quotient, numerical quotient, then what is the degree of algebraic expression. This much you understood. Correct? You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we shall go to polynomial. All this we have studied already. We go to polynomial. What is polynomial? In previous classes, what we have told? We have defined algebraic expression, then monomial, that is algebraic expression because one term is a monomial, binomial, and algebraic expression because two terms is known as binomial, trinomial, and algebraic expression because three terms is known as trinomial. Then also it is told what is polynomial. Polynomial is algebraic expression which has many terms because poly means many. And also it was told monomial, binomial, trinomial, these are all polynomials. First we will define monomial, binomial, trinomial like that. Here what we will do? We will define polynomial and then go to monomial, binomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. First point, polynomial is an algebraic expression which has positive exponents. Algebraic expression which has positive exponents. For example, I'll write some example. Here, x square plus 10x plus 20 is a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression. It has positive exponents.
Trinomial, sir.
It is a polynomial. Yes. Polynomial, it is having positive exponents. Exponent should be positive, first one. And exponent should be whole number. For example, if it is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 10, it is not polynomial. It should be whole number. Complete disturbing. Switch off your audio. Just listen first. Okay, an algebraic expression which is having positive exponents or whole number as exponent. Exponent should be always whole number. Then it is polynomial. For example, x plus 1 by x. If it is written. Is it polynomial? Can you tell me
sir.
why it is not polynomial? Why it is not polynomial? Here, 10 raised to 2 is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to minus 2. Can we write or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by 10 raised to 2. Can we write or not?
Yes, sir.
You can write because in exponent you have studied a raised to x is 1 upon a raised to minus x. or a raised to minus x is 1 upon a raised to x. This we have studied. So here x power is 1. Here is 1. We can write it as x raised to 1. 1 upon x is x raised to minus 1. Understand it? See this example. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. So x raised to minus 1. Here exponent is plus. Here exponent is minus. So what definition says? Polynomial is algebraic expression which has whole numbers as the exponent. Here whole numbers will be there. Which are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole numbers. Remaining are negative numbers come. Those are integers. 0, minus 1, minus 2, this side 1, 2, 3, so on. This side so on. These are integers. What our definition says? Polynomial is algebraic expression which has whole numbers as exponents, where exponent should be whole number. It is not whole number. It is negative integer. So this is not algebraic expression. Understanding? Then next. For example, second example, say x cube plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 30. This is also algebraic expression. It is having 4 terms. Exponent is 3 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, x raised to 1 is a whole number, therefore it is polynomial. For example, if we square root of 10 square root of x plus 20, is it a polynomial? It is not polynomial. Why? Because 10 square root of x means x raised to 1 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2. This notation you have used, isn't already? Already you have used this notation. How we want to, if you are not understood here, square root of 4 means what? We get a 2. What is square root of 2? It's symbolic. Square root symbolic, if you remove, it is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 2 is what? 4 means 2 square. 2 to the 4. Here 1 by 2 is there. This is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So 2 is remaining. Okay? That's right. Square root symbol means exponent is 1 by 2. This is nothing but 10 raised to x raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is it a whole number? No. It is not whole number. Therefore, this is not polynomial. One more example. For example, if it is cube root of x plus 10. Cube root of x, we write it as 1 by 3. X raised to 1 by 3. This notation also you have studied in 8th standard. Here, the exponent is not whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. Understood, students, all of you? Now, for example, third example, 10x plus 5. These are all monomials. These are all polynomials. 1, 2, 3 examples. Here, what we said? Polynomial. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression which has whole numbers as exponents or polynomial. Okay. So now these are all polynomials. This polynomial is having how many terms? 2 terms. And a polynomial which has 2 terms is called binomial. Now we are going in terms of polynomial. In previous class we studied monomial, binomial like that. Now what is polynomial we have understood. Then we are telling what is binomial, binomial, trinomial like. This is a binomial because it is having 2 terms. A polynomial which has 2 terms is a binomial. Means what? Binomial can also have partial exponent. One more example, say 20x, exponent is 1, it is what? Monomial. It is also polynomial. Polynomial which has 1 term is a monomial. Polynomial which has 2 terms is a binomial. Polynomial which has 3 terms is a trinomial. Okay? And for 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that, names are not there. All are called polynomial. 1 term, polynomial having 1 term is a monomial. Polynomial which has 2 terms is a binomial. Polynomial which has 3 terms is a trinomial. And all remaining are polynomial. Now, there are special words for polynomials with different degrees. Different degrees. Example. So just listen. Okay. Later you can write notes to understand this completely. Example. Say 10x plus 5, 20y minus 10, say 5z minus 6. So 6x okay. I have taken some examples. This in this algebraic expression, it is a binomial. Its exponent is 1. Highest exponent is what? 1. Here, what is its highest exponent? 1. What is its highest exponent? 1. What is its highest exponent? 1. So, its highest exponent or highest power of the variable in the algebraic expression is 1. Then it is called its degree is 1. What is its degree? Degree of the polynomial is the highest exponent. So highest exponent is how much here? Highest power is how much? Power of the variable is 1. Here also 1, 1, 1. Its degree is 1. Degree of these polynomial is 1. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is called as a linear polynomial. These are all examples for linear polynomials. Linear polynomial. Okay? These are all examples for linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means what? It should be polynomial first point. Second point is its degree should be 1. What is the degree? Highest power of the variable. Here highest power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. This is also linear. These are all linear polynomials. Understanding students? Highest
Yes, sir.
variable is known as the degree of the polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. So, in a general form of the linear polynomial, general form of the linear polynomial. General form of the linear polynomial is what? It is ax plus b. P of x means polynomial in x. All polynomials will be of this form. This is polynomial in x. This is polynomial in y. This is polynomial in z. This is polynomial in x. Okay. In general, this linear polynomial looks like this. Ax plus b. Its degree is 1. General form is all will be of this form. All examples. You see here, one variable is there, one constant. It is variable x raised to 1. Okay. Highest power is what? So degree is 1. In these polynomials, we use alphabet A, B, C, D, so on as the constants. Like we say pi as a constant now, pi is a constant forever. That is different. That is permanent constant, that is never changes. But here, these A, B will change. A and B values are constants, but those depend upon example. For example, in this example, value of A is 10, value of B is 5. Okay. In this example, value of A is 20, value of B is -10. In this example, value of A is 5, value of B is -6. In this example, 6x, value of A is 6, value of B, nothing is there, you can put 0, value of B is 0. Understanding the general form? P of x, ax plus b. So how to write this? This you can write as P of x equal to 10x plus 5. How to take this? We should take P of y because polynomial is in y. 20y minus 10. This one P of z equal to 5z minus 6. That one P of x equal to 6x. You understood, students, this much?
Yes, sir.
You understood. Okay. Next, another polynomial is there, linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Next one is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Second one is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Its general form is P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Example. What is the meaning of this? Can anyone tell? Can you tell me?
A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial.
Yes, where highest exponent is 2. Its exponent is 1. Highest power of the variable is 2. So it is a degree is 2. First point is it is a polynomial, its degree is 2. So you said correct answer. If the polynomial is of degree 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Or polynomial of degree 2 are called quadratic polynomial. Degree should be 2. Then it is a quadratic polynomial. Why the reason a should not be 0? If a is 0, what happens? Here your polynomial general form is ax plus bx plus c. If a equals to 0, 0 into x square plus bx plus c. So this term became 0. So only bx plus c is there. So a should not be 0. If a is 0, second degree, x square term is not there. If x square term is not there, it will not become degree 2 polynomial. This becomes degree 1 polynomial. This becomes linear polynomial. Understanding? That's why it should not be. Now, previous example, in previous linear polynomial ax plus b we said, here also a should not be 0. If a is 0 now, this term becomes 0. Only b will remain. Only b means there is no variable part. It is not linear polynomial. Just it becomes a constant. That I will tell you. For this, some examples. So p of x, polynomial in x, we can write 6x square plus 10x plus 5. So a is 6, b is a 10, c is 5. Another one, p of y equal to 6y square plus 10. So this is also quadratic polynomial in y. A is 6, okay, in place of x, y is there. B, y term is not there, so b is 0, c is 10. Okay, here a is 6, c is 10, b term is not there, so 0. P of z, you can take any example, say 10z square plus 20z. This is also quadratic polynomial. Z square term is there. So x square. A is how much? 10. B is 20. C is not there, so 0. Understanding, students? One more example. P of x equals to 5x square. This is also quadratic polynomial. A is 5. B is not there, so 0. C is not there, that is 0. This is about quadratic polynomial. 5 more minutes I will take, students, because again I will start from beginning if we start in next class. 5 more minutes I will take. Quadratic over cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial, degree is 2, or the polynomial with degree not 2. Polynomial with degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. Its general form is p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. It looks like this. One example. Here a should not be 0. An example, p of x equal to 6x cube plus 3x square plus, you can write an example 4x plus 10, x cube highest power is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. A is 6, b is 3, c is 4, d is 10. Okay, one more example. 6x cube plus 3x square plus 4x. Okay, a is 6, b is 3, c is 4, d is not there, so 0. P of x equal to 6x cube plus 3x square. Okay, a is 6, b is 3. This is also cubic a0 b0. P of x equal to 6x cube. So a is 6. B is not there, C is not there, D is not there. Understandable. This is a cubic polynomial. If degree is 4, that is called biquadratic. That you are not going to study. One more thing I will tell here is throughout the textbook, x, y, z are used as variable. Small letter x, y, z. These are all variables. These are used for variables. And you are going to study expression which is having maximum 3 variables, not more than that. Later you are going to use 4 variables, all that. Now you are going to use these variables. These letters are variables. And small letters A, B, C, D. These are used for representing constants. Okay? Yes. Understood, students, all of you today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This today I can explain, not pretend more. You might have understood. And since it will be in YouTube, if not understood, see again 2 times. You will understand better. My idea is you should understand, not just write. If you keep writing, that takes more time. You understand, you can solve many examples. Okay. In the next class, we shall see exercise problems. One suggestion. Now onwards, if I don't solve all examples in the exercise, if I keep solving all exercise problems now, we cannot complete it. So far, I kept solving all examples. In geometry, one example took 1 period. So, I'll give more homework. Try the next exercise. It is very, very easy. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody have understood? Raise your hand. Very nice. All of you understood. Next,